Squad. I go off for squad. 054. 114th, we gon' blow. Don't do it. I got some dirt on these niggas. Yo, it's a murder scene when I'm on the scene. Got the Jakes, actual residence. What happened here, motherfucker? Cause we fled the scene. A nigga had to go. Disrespect squad, we gon' blow. If you didn't know, now you know. Shoot a nigga in his face for his pounds. We ain't playing around. Run up in a nigga house, kill him in his bitch. Y'all know I'm widespread of kids. Spoke it dope to the face, freaking up my vision. I don't care, savage shit, nigga, I'm living. When I pull up in a photo, and the window drop low, you already know somebody about to stop breathing. Tonight, he gon' see the light. I'ma take his life. Blue blap, that's the sound of the tech. When it's silence, talking shit when we bring the violence. Run up on Holly, chopper silence. He was hiding. Kid Coon, really coon. Broke boys ain't no king. There's some peasants, word too. That nigga prank, see a bitch. Run up on the scene, I'ma catch his ass, shoot him in his head. Man down, man now. Somebody caught a doc, somebody caught a cop, cause all these niggas ops. I swear to God, you niggas talking tough, but you're not about it. Y'all niggas pussy, flexing like full flex. Riding around, I'm the best on the strip, I'm running shit. So this shit call me King Von Banks. Getting all these shits, niggas focus on these riches, niggas cuffing all these bitches, that's a dub. Nigga holla, you a dub. Pussy nigga cut a rug, come up on the strip. Chopper hit your face. You a disgrace, talking about you. Hollyville, suck my dick. All y'all niggas pussy, all y'all niggas pussy. Y'all ain't bringing shit, y'all niggas not in the field. I'm bringing shit to the table, y'all niggas still hungry. I'm over here eating lobster cause I'm a king. Niggas hating on me cause I'm doing big. Just back my squad and my freaking team. Then I guess you don't like your life, you gon' die that night. Cut your life short in a job bar, y'all ain't shit. Y'all ain't really not about shit. Talking shit, you can meet the pipe prince. How you gon' die tonight? And that's word too, I'ma kill you. I'ma kill you, pussy nigga, you see through. I see what I do with you. Chop a bullet, shit, your guys kill you. Cause you know your pussy ass is ass. Squad shit, that's what I'm living. Squad shit, that's what I'm living. Hollywood, you a bitch too. Cuffing bitches, sucking bitches, man, you a nasty bitch. You a fool. Fool, geezy ass niggas, y'all shit. Y'all ain't shit, squad shit. On 14th, that's where I be, it's lit. You know where to find me with my team, on my squad, 054 Greenville, that's where I be. Talking shit, boy, chopper bullets, that's what you gon' see. Make bullets fly in the air, let it fly. Niggas talking shit, catch him in and drop by, lay his ass down, know this back, he ain't bout shit. These niggas pussy, and that's word too, Pussy nigga, I expose you. Squad shit, send a nigga these death notes, cause they pussy. When I catch you ass. When I catch your ass, Holly, you a bitch, suck my dick. Prince, you ain't really about shit. Word. That niggas broke. Talking about king, you a peasant. Squad shit. I'm the king, I'm in life for doing shit big. Niggas saying on me cause I would live. Squad shit, 114, that's where I be, bitch. 054, disrespect my set. Then you go and get wet, squad. They ain't really with it, man. You niggas was talking about they kings. Nigga, you ain't no prince. You ain't no king, nigga. Pussy ass niggas. 054 Greenville, man. Squad shit, 114th, man. Only the real of my shit. Y'all niggas ain't real.